Hey everyone, welcome back to 5 Minute Finance, where we simplify real estate investing and help you make smart money moves. Real estate is exciting. The idea of building wealth through property is super appealing, but it's not as easy as those house flipping shows make it seem. If you go in blind, you could lose your shirt. Today we're diving into the top 7 mistakes every beginner real estate investor makes. These errors can cost you serious cash and derail your real estate dreams. Stick around until the end, because I'll break down how to avoid these mistakes and set yourself up for success. Let's get started. Alright, let's jump into the first mistake: not doing enough research. You're excited, you see a property that looks amazing, and you want to jump in head first. But trust me, that's a recipe for disaster. Before making an offer, understand the market inside and out. Use websites like Zillow, Realtor.com, and Redfin for market trends. Knowledge is power in real estate investing. Mistake number 2. Overpaying for a property. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of a potential deal, especially when you're emotionally invested. But remember, this is business, and in business, numbers don't lie. Never let your emotions dictate how much you're willing to pay. Calculate your potential return on investment, or ROI, before making an offer. Know exactly how much profit you stand to make, taking into account all expenses. Don't forget to factor in property taxes, insurance, potential repairs, and property management fees. These costs can add up quickly, so have a clear picture of your financials before making an offer. The last thing you want is to be stuck with a property that's bleeding you dry financially. Mistake number 3. Underestimating repair and maintenance costs. Fixer-uppers can be tempting with their low prices. But those low prices often hide costly repairs. Think beyond cosmetic fixes. Consider major repairs. Always budget for unexpected repairs. Get a professional inspection before buying. Better safe than sorry in real estate investing. Mistake number 4. Not having a clear strategy. Jumping into real estate without a plan is a big mistake. It's like sailing without a map or compass. Define your goals before looking at properties. Are you aiming for passive income or quick flips? Each strategy needs a different approach. Develop a plan to achieve your goals. Set a budget, determine risk, and outline your exit strategy. A clear plan helps you stay focused and avoid mistakes. Failing to plan can have serious financial consequences. Mistake number 5. Failing to account for vacancy rates. This is crucial for new investors. Properties aren't rented 365 days a year. Vacancies happen. Tenants move out unexpectedly. Covering expenses without rental income is tough. Seasonal changes affect tenant availability. Plan for vacancies in your financials. Assume at least 1 to 2 months vacancy per year. Mistake number 6. Trying to do everything yourself. Real estate investing is a team sport. Trying to wear all the hats, from finding deals to managing tenants, can be overwhelming. Even seasoned investors rely on a trusted team of professionals. Don't be afraid to ask for help and build a network of experts. Your real estate dream team should include a skilled real estate agent and a reliable contractor. They can help you find great deals, negotiate terms, and handle renovations efficiently. Remember, teamwork makes the dream work. Mistake number 7. Letting fear or greed cloud your judgment. Real estate investing can be an emotional roller coaster, but remember, this is business, and logic should always trump emotional impulses. Fear can paralyze you from taking action, causing you to miss out on lucrative opportunities. On the flip side, greed can lead to rash decisions and overpaying for properties. The key is to find a balance. Be aware of your emotions, but don't let them control your actions. Analyze the numbers, assess the risks, and make informed decisions based on logic and your investment goals. Real estate investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Now that you know the top mistakes, here's how to avoid them. Do your homework. Research, analyze, and plan before buying. Work with experienced professionals and build a reliable team. Stay disciplined, stick to your budget and your strategy. And remember, every investor makes mistakes. The key is to learn from them and keep moving forward. Real estate investing can be incredibly rewarding if you avoid these beginner mistakes and take a smart, calculated approach. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more real estate investment tips. Share your experience in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.